In audio signal processing and acoustics, an echo is a reflection of sound, arriving at the listener sometime after the direct sound. Typical examples are the echo produced by the bottom of a well, by a building, or by the walls of an enclosed room and an empty room. A true echo is a single reflection of the sound source. The time delay is the extra distance divided by the speed of sound. The word echo derives from the Greek a 1/4 ii, itself from a 1/4 ii, sound. Echo in the folk story of Greek is a mountain nymph who loved her own voice. Animals that use echoes are cetaceans, dolphins and whales, and bats. Acoustic phenomenon: if so many reflections arrive at a listener that they are unable to distinguish between them, the proper term is reverberation. An echo can be explained as a wave that has been reflected by a discontinuity in the propagation medium, and returns with sufficient magnitude and delay to be perceived. Echoes are reflected off walls or hard surfaces like mountains and privacy fences. When dealing with audible frequencies, the human ear cannot distinguish an echo from the original sound if the delay is less than 1/15 of a second. Thus, since the velocity of sound is approximately 343 meters per second at a normal room temperature of about 25 degrees Celsius, the reflecting object must be more than 17.2 m from the sound source at this temperature for an echo to be heard by a person at the source. Sound travels approximately 343 meters per second. If a sound produces an echo in 2 seconds, the object producing the echo would be precisely that distance away. The distance for an object with a 2-second echo return would be 1 second or 343 meters per second or 343 meters. In most situations with human hearing, echoes are about 1/2 second or about half this distance, since sounds grow fainter with distance. In nature, canyon walls or rock cliffs facing water are the most common natural settings for hearing echoes. The strength of an echo is frequently measured in decibel sound pressure level (SPL) relative to the directly transmitted wave. Echoes may be desirable or undesirable. In music performance and recording, electric echo effects have been used since the 1950s. The acoplex is a tape delay effect, first made in 1959, that recreates the sound of an acoustic echo. Designed by Mike Battle, the acoplex set a standard for the effect in the 1960s and was used by most of the notable guitar players of the era. Original echoplexes are highly sought after. While echoplexes were used heavily by guitar players, many recording studios also used the acoplex. Beginning in the 1970s, Market built the solid-state acoplex for Maestro. In the 2000s, most echo effects units use electronic or digital circuitry to recreate the echo effect. Ducks quack. A duck's quack doesn't echo is a much-quoted scientific myth. The truth is that a duck's quack does, in fact, echo. However, it may be difficult to hear. This myth was first debunked by the Acoustics Research Centre at the University of Salford in 2003 as part of the British Association's Festival of Science. It was also featured in one of the earlier episodes of the popular Discovery Channel television show Mythbusters. The actual reason for the myth is that a quack is a quiet and fading sound which produces faint echoes. The myth inspired the title of the British Sky One TV show Duck Quacks Don't Echo. Famous echoes. Hamilton Mausoleum, Hamilton, South Lanarkshire, Scotland. Its high stone holds the record for the longest echo in the world, taking 15 seconds for the sound of a slammed door to decay. Golgumbas of Bijapur, India. Any whisper, clap or sound gets echoed repeatedly. The Golconda Fort of Hyderabad, India. The Echo Wall at the Temple of Heaven, Beijing, China. The Whispering Gallery of St. Paul's Cathedral, London, England. Echo Point, the Three Sisters, Kachamba, Australia. The Temple of Kukulkan, Chichen Itza, Mexico. The Baptistry of Pisa, Pisa, Italy. The Echo near Milan visited by Mark Twain in The Innocents Abroad. The Echo in Chinon which is used in a traditional local rhyme. The Gazebo in the Napiers Museum in Trivandrum, Kerala, India. References. External links. Media related to Echo at Wikimedia Commons. More information on Chinon Echo. Listen to duck echoes and an animated demonstration of how an echo is formed.